Are you looking for a natural remedy that supports digestion, eases inflammation, and promotes relaxation, all in one simple step? Stay tuned, because today I'm showing you how to create a DIY castor oil pack that can transform your self-care routine. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Home and Haven Living for more natural remedies and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video, because a healthier, happier you starts right here. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living. Did you know that castor oil packs are an ancient remedy with incredible health benefits? Today, I'll show you how to make your own castor oil pack at home and share tips on where and how to use them for the best results. Let's dive in. First, let's gather everything we need to make DIY castor oil packs. Supplies: organic cold-pressed castor oil, a piece of organic soft cotton flannel, plastic wrap, optional, a heating pad or hot water bottle, optional, a clean towel. How to make the castor oil pack. 1. Lay the flannel flat and pour enough castor oil to saturate it but not drip. 2. Fold the flannel in half to distribute the oil evenly. 3. Warm the pack slightly by placing it on a low-heat heating pad for a few minutes, optional. And there you have it, your castor oil pack is ready to use. Next, let's talk about where and how to use it for maximum benefits. 1. Lie down in a comfortable position and place the castor oil pack on the desired area. O. For digestion, place it over your abdomen. O. For liver detox, position it on the right side of your abdomen, where the liver is located. O. For cramps or inflammation, apply it to the lower abdomen or affected area. 2. Cover the pack with plastic wrap or a shower cap to avoid stains. 3. Place a heating pad or hot water bottle on top to increase absorption. 4. Relax for 30 to 60 minutes. Read, meditate, or just unwind during this time. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Always clean your skin afterward with a damp towel to remove any residue. Wondering why this works? Castor oil packs may help with improving digestion, reducing inflammation, relieving cramps, supporting detoxification, easing joint and muscle pain, supporting reproductive health, to name a few. The list is endless. Plus, they're super relaxing. A little self-care goes a long way. And that's it. DIY castor oil packs are easy, affordable, and packed with benefits. Have you tried this natural remedy before? Let me know your experience in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Home and Haven Living, and turn on notifications for more natural wellness tips. Let's keep exploring natural remedies together.